Yeah. Don't look down. Just look on me. There you go. Don't look down. Look up. Look up. There you go. There you go. Nice. Don't look down. Look up. Always look up. Okay, but just look up always. Don't look down. Don't go to the cliff, anak. Oo nga, mas marunong pa siya sa akin. Oh, you don't want to bike anymore? Okay. Let's go play now. At least you show me you're good. Good job. You want to return now in the garage? Okay, let's go return in the garage. Good job. I can open the door. I'll open the door. Uh-oh, it's heavy. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. Maybe that green one. Did you try the green one? Oh, that's how you park it? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. You park it really good. Now it's organized. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. Good job. You know how to park it. You want to eat now? Oh, you ladies first. We're going to go eat now. Oh, let me turn off the light. Can you turn off the light? Sorry. Please. I said please. No, let's go here. There's no moose. It's just a bird. No, on the garage. Anak. You want to say bye to your friends? Look at the flowers. Say bye, guys. Oh, look at the flowers, guys. Ganda. Okay ba? Ganda, no? What's yours? It say Jilana? Huh? What did it say? Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. Look at those. What's your favorite color in your garden? Purple? Oh, purple. Favorite color. Why were you picking those rocks? Yeah, what's your favorite color? Purple? Okay. Red? Pink one? Another pink? Purple. Yep. Yellow. Where's yellow? Orange. Yep. Oh, do you want to see? Jelana, can we see the other plants? Orange here. Come on. Jelana, come here. What you got? Oh, oh, that's nice flower. Will you marry me? I love you. Come on. No, I want to see these flowers, these orange flowers. Oh, see, there's the. I think they're closing. No, the flowers, if there's no sun, they close. Yeah, they close already. See, the yellow, the orange flowers. Ayun pag. This one.